the next part that I want to talk about is the subconscious mind. So the subconscious mind is a vast database of who you really are. It's unlimited. It has all of your emotions, all of your memories, everything that's ever happened to you in your whole life. It's a really amazing part of who you are. It has beliefs, your habits. It's also responsible for generating emotions in your body. Now, the important part to discuss here about your beliefs is that the subconscious mind has beliefs that might even be erroneous about you, which brings us to the next part of the mind that I want to talk about, which is the critical factor. Now, the critical factor is a really important part of your mind. It sits in between your conscious mind and your subconscious mind, and it is protecting your beliefs, all right? So it's a comparing mechanism. I want you to think about the critical factor as something that is comparing. If new information comes in and it agrees with what you already know, it lets that information come right in. So that would come just right into your beliefs and just reinforce something that you already know, something that you already believe. Now, for example, if something were to come into your awareness, your critical factor might filter it out because you don't believe that already. And in that case, then it just goes into data. The reason that this is so important is that there are times when we want to make big changes in our lives. We want to make changes to our house, or we have some limiting or erroneous beliefs. We want to make changes here, but it can be very difficult because the critical factor is protecting those beliefs and keeping us from making changes there. So you might be wondering, how do erroneous beliefs get in there in the first place? Well, sometimes what happens is we believe an authority figure when we're younger, and that's how an erroneous belief gets in there. Or something happens, and then it gets reinforced over time, and we start believing something that actually isn't even true.